Alright, so welcome back again to Pinoy Screencast, and I am back for a new tutorial, and this time I'm going to teach you on how to root a device or smartphone on a KitKat version. So if you remember, I have created a video before on how to root your device using Root, and the case is that app only works on the Jelly Bean devices. So if you're on a KitKat or Lollipop, it will not work. So here I'm going to show you that there's a new application or a new software that we can use on rooting a KitKat device. So here I'm using a Cherry Mobile Infinix Pure XL, and we are going to root and unroot this device. So as you can see, some of the videos that are online, they're just teaching you on how to root the device, but there are no tutorials on how to unroot, because basically if you want to root your device and then you're going to update your application or your firmware, so basically you're going to have a problem since you already modified the files and other bunch of stuffs on your phone, and then you're going to update, it will automatically break your phone. So that's a bad thing. And I have a separate tutorial also on how to back up any Mediatek devices. So if you can watch that first before proceeding with this one, that will be a great help, since you need to back up first, which I recommend, your whole firmware or your ROM dump, so you will have no any problem if you have in case break your phone. Alright, so without further ado, let's go start, and let's first check my firmware or my version of my baseband and also my version of KitKat. And as you can see, I'm using the build number version 5 for the Infinix Pure XL, and I have a baseband of same, which is version 5, and I am running the Android version 4.4.2. Okay, so that's the KitKat. Alright, so next is, first is you need to go and you can also format your device in case you want a fully clean interface on your smartphone. But then we can proceed on going to your browser, and then you need to search for the KingRoot. So on the KingRoot website, you can select the KingRoot, this one, because they have a bunch of applications that you can use in case you want to use it on a desktop. And then they also have this the King User, which is, this app is similar with the Super SU, which you can interact with applications that needed the root privileges. Okay, so this one, the KingRoot, is the application that we're going to use to root your device, and the King Master is, I think, optimization or something, because it's in Chinese, so I really can't understand it, but based on what I see on the application on actual usage. But then, so you're going to click that, you can download it, but here I already downloaded it, so I'll just hide this one. So after downloading it, you need to click the file and open it, and then you need to install it. So this is the installation process, so just click install, and then let's just wait for it, and it will install the actual app. And actually it's a really easy interface, so just click open, and then it will have a Chinese characters that you really can't understand, but hopefully if there are Chinese friends that are watching this video, hopefully you can help us translate all the things that you see in Hindi KingRoot. So I'm using the 3.5.0, so I'm not sure on what are the changes that they made with this one, but based on experience, almost any Mediatek devices, it can root with this application. So it's really nice application that's almost any Chinese or Mediatek devices, it can be rooted. Alright, so just click the root, which is the green button, and you just wait for a couple of seconds, and it will do the whole process of rooting your device. And after that, we are going to check it using the root checker, and it will be rooted. Alright, so there you go. So as you can see, there is a check mark, so it means it's been rooted. So you don't need to check this one, since this one is for the optimization, I think. And just go back to your home, and then we're going to check the root checker. So you need to download this one. This is a separate app, and as you can see, so I've checked this before, so I'm not yet rooted. So basically, if in case you can't see the recheck on rooting, if you're already rooted, you need to click the root checker, you need to look it on your home, and then app info, drag it there, and then just clear the data. Okay, and then go back home, and then click the root checker again, and agree on the terms, and okay, and verify the root. And as you can see, so it will ask you to authorize, and yes. So there you go, congratulations, root access is properly installed on your device. Alright, so that's the basic way on how to root the device. Now, of course, like what I've said, if you want to update your firmware or there's an update on your phone, you need to unroot your device first before rooting, or else you're going to break your phone. Alright, so now we are going to the root user. So in case you're not seeing it, since there, so I don't need to reboot my phone, it's already here. It's key user, so I'll just click this one, and here on the settings there's a bunch of features here. You can have a root permission, smart authorization, and a bunch of stuff, so you can go experiment with this one, but then at your own risk. So here, remove root permission, so just click that and remove root authorization completely and return to unroot status. Proceed, just click clear, and once you click that, it will just go to the whole process of unrooting your device. And once done, we are going to check it again on root checker, and as we can see, it will not be rooted, so it will automatically close, so don't panic on that. So just go back to the root checker, which is this one. So again, since it's already checked the device, all I need to do is clear my data on the root checker. So app info, clear data, and then go back home since it's already there, and agree on the terms again, okay, and verify root. So there you go. Sorry, root access is not properly installed on this device. So as you can see, that's very easy. So you can root and unroot your device without any hassle, without using any devices or other PC just to root your device. So there you go. Hopefully this helps you on rooting your device. And in case you have a problem, feel free to comment it down below, and I'll be glad to help you out. And of course, as always, you can go visit my website, pinoyscreencast.net. I have a tutorial on how to back up your ROM in case you want to do it first, but I highly recommend doing it first, since you will not have any problem in case you break your device. Alright, so once again, I'm Arnovino of pinoyscreencast.net, and in case you haven't subscribed on my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the like, share button, and I really highly appreciate that because it really helps me do these things for you guys. So if you have requests of tutorials and a bunch of stuff that you want to know, feel free to put it in the comment section. And again, I'm Arnovino of Pinoy Screencast, and see you on my next video.